Welcome, welcome. And we have the car of the day. Let's take a look. 2014 Sonata. Okay guys, we want to remove the front seat. Basically it's the same process as I always say to you guys. Put it all the way up, deflate the lumbar support, remove the headrest, and guys, you're gonna have 14 millimeters bolts right here. So we're gonna use our clip remover, our 14 socket, and a little flat screwdriver to open these caps, and we're gonna get our 14s out. We close this back. Now we go for the rear ones. We're gonna get our lean back in about 110 degrees. Move the truck. So we're gonna put this one up again. And we're gonna have this much of the truck in that position. We don't want the truck to stick out on the rear. That's the whole purpose. Now guys, when you go here, you're gonna have to remove the clip for the harness. This vehicle has two clips in the harness. There it goes. Now this is gonna be interesting guys, because these Hyundais, they're similar to the Hondas when it comes to the system on the plugs, but that is slightly tricky, especially because it has dual plug for the airbag. I don't know if the camera is gonna be able to reach it, but you're gonna have to go here guys, and there is a black plug right here. You're gonna slightly pull it out, and then when it's out, you can pry the top and release the plug like that. The white plug is just simple tap, comes out like that. The other one too. Now this black one, I haven't seen it before, so it was just a small tab right here. So that was it guys. That's the removal of the harness. And now we can get the seat out. So I'm gonna take them out, and I will continue in the next video showing you the rear section. And if you have questions, guys, please put it in the comments. Okay guys, we want to remove the rear cushion, and there is some tabs right there. You can just pull it out. Sometimes I prefer to use my suspension puller, get it around the towel and pull it out. But you can use any other tool that you have, just so you can pry it. It's gonna be another bolt in the back holding it. So for that, we're gonna have to go to the rear and release. This one folds forward. And we're gonna have 12s in the back. So this one, you just pull it out. It's a rod over here and comes out. Just like so, guys. Now, actually, they're 12s, and it has two of them. And that will do it for the cushion and backers removal, guys. We have two more right here. This car appears to be equipped with heaters in the rear. And the side booster, guys, you just remove that ball in the bottom and you pop it up so it can release from this hook on the plastic. Obviously get the seatbelt off. That's one. That's two. Okay guys, that concludes the removal of the rear seat. Now we're gonna proceed with the next step, which is the removal of the upholstery covers. That's gonna be in the next video. If you have questions, please put it in the comments.